Into AP Learning is the platform that we use to keep architects up to date with innovation, technology, ambiguous building codes, and best practice design.
Throughout this module, we'll be looking at sliding doors and the different variations of sliding doors. We will explore the environmental impacts, design considerations, and common issues that require consideration when specifying sliding doors. Superior quality sliding doors distinguish themselves by high aesthetics, functionality, and outstanding energy efficiency. For this reason, thermally broken sliding doors may be considered as a necessary feature of modern Australian buildings. In addition to thermal performance standards, the NCC 2019 focuses on reduced solar admittance requirements aimed at reducing the total heating and cooling load on a building. These requirements will have an even more profound impact on building design, as even current industry best practice and next generation facade systems will have trouble meeting the code with glazing to facade ratios greater than 50%. To overcome this challenge, architects will need to use a number of design strategies. Thermally enhanced aluminium profiles have an excellent thermal performance thanks to the thermal break and the air tightness of the systems. However, these well-insulated systems require a matching building connection to ensure a good overall thermal insulation. The combination of high insulating systems with airtight installation reduces energy consumption, ensuring an optimal living comfort with a minimum of heating costs.
Almost 50% of the world production in aluminium is made of recycled material. Here in AMAX we go even further. The recycled content of our product is approximately 90%. We have closed the loop completely. We are able to recycle 100% of the aluminium in all buildings.